Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily trim like a video on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this to like my timeline, and I want to remove other parts of the video, and I only want the first part. So there are a few ways you can do this. You can select the slider and move it to the very left to trim the end, or move it to the right if you want to trim the beginning of the video. You can also just select this button right here, which is split, or Control K to trim the video basically, and just delete the rest of the video. And you can also do it at the beginning as well as the middle, so like you split it twice and then delete the part at the middle. And that's basically it, really super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!